Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I thought I would vlog today because we're gonna be like going to a movie, going to eat, and going to be doing a bunch of fun stuff. So it's not gonna be me sitting in the house all day like I normally do. And I think that's what the last video was. So I'll have a good mix between the two. So, but before we do anything right now, I need to get ready. And I also need to do some work, which I need to clock in. You need to remind me to do that. So I need to do some work. Maybe Tyler can film me doing that. And then, yeah. But also, you'll probably notice that this is the quality is a lot clearer. And that's because I got a camera. Very expensive. But that's, you know, hopefully people keep watching my videos, so it's worth the investment. But yeah, so that's the plan today, and hopefully, honestly, you do notice the camera quality of this, because if not, then that's terrible. So, but I feel like I can tell that it's so much more clear, can't you?
Yep, quality electronics.
Tech guy over here. Anyway, so yeah, that's the plan today. I'll probably film when I'm getting ready, and then, yeah, everything else, so. Hey guys, so now we have finished all of everything that we needed to do. It's very bumpy. Before we left, so yeah, I got ready and then I did a video for my the nice productions, and then okay, it's fine. And then now we are headed to Grand Forks to see a movie and eat, and then probably do a little bit of shopping. Not that I need to, but I do have coupons, so you can't let those go to waste, you know? But that's the plan for now, and then we'll check back in later. Hey guys, we are at the movie theater. I think it's been a little while since I checked in last. I did the video at the restaurant. Oh, and when I took photos. Okay, so it hasn't been that bad. I just didn't videotape when we were shopping and in stores like that, but right now we are just about to walk into the movie. I have my bag all packed. Should I show it? And hope that anyone who's ever worked at a movie theater or does work at a movie theater doesn't come at me, because we've got some candy, some drinks. We got a lot. But it's so freaking expensive though. Like, but I also have never met a single person who's never brought like pre-bought stuff into the movie theater. Have you?
All the time.
You know, like, I've never met a single person who's like, oh no, I don't do that. No.
No.
Yeah. You'd be kind of stupid to do that, I feel like. I mean, you do support the movie theater, but like, you're also paying $12 to get into the movie anyway. So, anyway, did I tell them which movie we were going to?
Do you even know what movie we're going to?
Yes, I know what movie. Okay, no, we're going to Rocket Man, right? That's what it's called. It's called Rocket Man, but it's about a movie about Elton John.
Yep.
Yeah, so. Yeah, I know what movie we're going to. I picked it. Do you remember?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So, we're going to Rocket Man. Hopefully it's good. Hopefully there's lots of music. I appreciate a good musical film. Anyway. I don't know if I'll check. Well, I'll have to check back in later. So, I don't know that we're doing anything after the movie, but we'll see. Maybe we'll get ice cream. That's usually the go-to. That's what I like to do anyway. Are we gonna do Cold Stone or Cherry Berry?
What do you think?
Say it on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Cold
Cold Stone. It's so much better though, because it's so rich and creamy. Maybe I'll videotape in there if I don't get chickened out. We'll see. That's why I haven't brought the camera in anywhere, because I'm too chicken yet. Because like where I'm videoing at, it's not like, I feel like it's not city enough where people are like, oh, she's just vlogging. Like, people would be like, what is she doing? Where when you're like in a bigger place, people already kind of know what's going on. So I've chickened out all day today. Oh well, whatever. I'll get used to it. Yeah. Anyway, okay, we're gonna go to the movie now because I have to go to the bathroom. We have to buy our tickets. The movie's already started. That's okay. They play like 300 million minutes of commercials. So. Okay, guys, we are out of the movie. It was really good. What did you think?
It was good.
Okay, wait. Rate out of 10.
Like a 7?
That's pretty good. Yeah, I'd probably do 7. It was good. I cried, so that's good. And then we just took pictures for a collaboration that I'm doing. And then we got out of the movie theater. And I thought there was good places here to take pictures for the collaboration. So we did that quick. So now we're done. I still don't know really what the plan is, but you know.
Well, the radio might have turned on.
Oh, yeah. You don't want a copyright claim, kids. Trust me. Okay, yeah. I don't know what we're doing next, but I'm sure you'll find out. We have secured the goods. We didn't go to Cold Stone because I just didn't want to. But you like, it's my day. But no, I chose, I don't know, I just didn't want Cold Stone. I kind of wanted something fruity. So I got strawberry with cheesecake.
You wanted something fruity till you tasted mine.
Okay, I like a couple bites of that, but I do like this. And we went to an old one, so there was like no seating. Nope. There we go. So there was like no seating. So I said, let's just bring it to the park. Because we weren't that far away from a park. That's a cute dog. I think we already passed that dog.
The dog was getting out of the car.
Oh. See, this is where I get like the lighting, because the sun is like... You guys are gonna have to get used to me being obnoxious in these videos as I learn how to use this camera. Okay, why don't you get more in the video?
You're the one who set up the camera.
True. You should scoot over. Oh, that looked good. Okay. But anyway, so then we took it to the park. Which, fun fact, my grandma used to take me to this park. We never came to this one because it's not as cool as the castle park in the back here. Yeah, it's pretty cool as a kid.
The castle park is still cool.
I mean, yeah, but I'm too big to go on anything.
And I'm not?
I mean, yeah, you too.
I'm never too big for that park.
Oh, whatever. Have you even been to that park?
Nope. The castle parks are always the best, though.
I've never seen another one.
I used to have one at the school near my house, but then they got rid of it. It was the most disappointing day ever.
And that is a tragedy. And that's Tyler's depressing story for the day. Tyler, you didn't tell them what you got.
Double fudge cookie dough.
He literally tries to get the most chocolatey thing on the menu.
And they never put enough chocolate in.
Tell them to. Which,
look at all this vanilla.
I really think you should have gotten brownie in there.
Not on the menu.
Tell them what you want. Anyway, this is what we're currently doing. And, yeah. Well, that was the funniest thing in my life. And it's so bright, it looked like she was streaking. She had a towel. Everything is okay. That was really funny. But I'm gonna end this video now. Before anything bad happens on this. And I get my video taken down. It'd be pretty bad. Anyway, we're gonna eat these now.
She decided to go into the bathroom, so I couldn't help but take the camera and start videotaping, and now she's coming. Yep, she's coming back.
It's hard to tell because I don't know where it's gonna be.
Plus they got on one over the Lisa, what? She's got something in her eye. I can see it. The water?
Hey guys, it's quite a bit later actually. I don't even remember the last thing that I said to you guys, but oh, I think we were eating at Dairy Queen. But we came home and we had been changed quick, and then we went out to the farm and there was a bonfire and we just hung out with my family. So it's like midnight now. We came back and ate a little bit. We're both changed. I need to take my makeup off and then we are going to bed. Tyler just came in. Tyler. Anyway, so we're gonna go to bed now. Take my makeup off. Go to sleep. Say good night.
Good night.